Hey folks, medical hypnotherapist Roger Moore here. Take a moment when you can just sit back and close your eyelids and relax. And close your eyelids gently and let the world around you just fade into the background. Breathe in deeply, filling your chest with the cool, refreshing air of the present moment. As you inhale, imagine your breath as a wave rolling in from the vast ocean of calm that stretches out before you. Hold it there at the crest, feeling the fullness, the potential, the peace. And now exhale slowly. Let the air escape your lips as softly as a whisper. Carry it with all the tension and noise that clutters your mind. Feel your chest just fall. A gentle descent, like leaves fluttering back to the earth in the serene dance of autumn. With each breath, sink deeper into this rhythm. Inhale, the rise. Exhale, the fall. Each cycle a step further away from the chaos of everyday life. A step closer to a tranquil inner sanctuary. Notice the subtle sensations, the coolness of the air entering your nostrils, the slight pause when the lungs are full and the warmth of the breath as you exhale. Each detail is a brushstroke in your masterpiece of your current experience. Allow yourself to dwell solely on these sensations. If your thoughts begin to wander, acknowledge them. But gently guide your focus back to your breath. This moment, with its simple, rhythmic breathing, is where you find clarity. Inhale and bring in serenity. Exhale and release what burdens you. With each breath, feel lighter, as if each exhalation could let you float away, untethered from any worldly weights. Continue this dance of breath, this pure, simple focus. Let it cleanse your mind, soothe your soul, and reconnect you to the essence of who you are. Breathe in peace, breathe out release. Here in this moment, with each breath, you are renewed. And when you're ready, gently open your eyelids. Remember to breathe. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.